Hello again, everybody. Little quick update on the front pilot beam. As the last couple of videos have showed, I have machined the aluminum pilot beam that goes across there and the front coupler that goes in. The night or so ago, I cut the little 1/8" steel plates on either side. They're 3 inches wide, 4 1/16 inch long, and I drilled and tapped the holes inside the beam for they're 540, so I drilled some 1/8" clearance holes, and I've got some socket head cap screws holding that together. And tonight I ground a little relief here at the top of the cow catcher so that it fits. I relieved both the bottom of the coupler and grounded a little bit of the top of the pilot beam so that it all fits. You can barely notice it, and I didn't ruin the strength of anything there, so I'm happy with the way that came out. And I just fit a little 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch piece of steel behind the two. So I think tomorrow I'm going to have to figure out a way to drill and tap, or just drill a clearance hole and put a bolt that goes all the way through the bottom of the pilot beam, the cow catcher, through the steel plate to hold it all together, and likewise bolt in the top here where the clamps are holding the top of the cow catcher on. And once that's done, then the unit will be complete. I did notice when I was grinding the bottom of this, there's a serial number on there, and I'll try to call that out tomorrow before I paint it. That's the plan. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I'll hopefully get the final drilling and tapping done to mount the cow catcher, and then paint it, and then I'll have it'll be check in the box done, and I can bolt it to the front apron there, and then we'll have something nice and solid to grab onto and to block up for the actual fire test. So I'm pretty happy with the way that came out. Let me step back a little bit and give you a little better look at it. It's pretty large, and obviously it's not exactly what the Allen Mogul uses, but I think it looks kind of cool, and I'm happy with it, and I'm going to use it. So there we have it. So tomorrow, next video, I'll cover the finishing touches on this thing and then show the jigs. While I'm over here on this side of the shop, let me show you something. I'll show these in greater detail tomorrow, but these are some of the jigs that I use for the eccentrics, not the eccentrics, but for the actual getting the measurement for the side rods. And this is the little jig I made of angle iron for the coupling rods, and they're all sitting on a stand that I'd made just to hold the chassis of the locomotive many years ago while I was working on that. So anyway, hope that's of interest to you. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted.